I'm Alex with Automobilia.
And I'm Christian with Automobilia.
And we chose Synergy products to introduce into our shop because not only do the products work, we're always looking for products that are out there that actually live up to what they claim. So we've introduced wheel cleaners into our car wash, the A-Wash. We've introduced the tire dressing into the car wash in bulk, the A-Wash. We've introduced the ceramic soap. We've introduced the waterless wash. We've introduced the car shampoo. And now this new product, the Supreme Suds, we're introducing into the car wash because the products actually work. The price point is appropriate at the levels that you're able to buy in. And at the end of the day, the cars that we are providing service to look amazing when it's all done.
What we noticed was the problem when you go to an event, people are looking for things to buy. They don't want to buy big things. They want to buy something that's priced appropriately. So now when we go to an event, we open up our trailer, we set up a table, we have products on the table, and for 15 to 20 bucks, you could buy a bottle of detail spray. You could buy a bottle of car shampoo. And at that price point, now your customers are calling you for reorders. It's another way to grab a customer and corral them to come to your facility.
And they're reordering because when they take those products back and they use them on their own, they're easy to use, they perform as advertised, and it gets them back into our facility either through our website or it gets them back into the actual facility. So we have another point of contact, another touch to the customer, and that's priceless.
And they simply smell good.
Hi, I'm John with Sanford Auto Spa, located in Limerick, New York. We were introduced to Synergy Worx a little while back to try out the new product line. We were amazed by how well the product works to the way they describe it. The ceramic soap is definitely something you should provide to your customers who isn't looking to pay the cost of a ceramic coating, but wants the hydrophobicness and the shine that it provides. We only want to offer the best to our customers, and that is why we use all the Synergy Worx line on our customers' investments and provide it in our retail store.
Yo, it's Roscoe from Abushi. Why I use Synergy Worx. So we actually do a lot of exotic cars, exotics and classics. So we're looking for the best products on the market. We tried a bunch. I ended up trying Synergy from one of our customers. He recommended it, so I reached out to Nick, and now all of a sudden we have a full line. So we pretty much use all of the spray wax detailer, the car shampoo, the interior spray, the spray wax. I would definitely recommend other shops taking on Synergy Worx. Obviously, again, if you're looking for a high quality product.
Hey guys, Carl over here at 61 Coatings. Our products here at Synergy Worx, we set customers up with basic exit packages, even maintenance packages so they can maintain their finish throughout the year before they see us for their annual maintenance checkup on the car. And if you're thinking about why you should carry the product, stuff actually works. It maintains and enhances the actual coating. So any shop that actually offers or even has a retail space to offer something for a customer to leave the building with proper maintenance, Synergy Worx is the way to go.